The iComfort Directions Inception Luxury Mattress is designed to balance comfort, support, and temperature regulation with 4 exclusive features. First, a thermocool yarn fabric cover with Tencel fibers provides an exceptionally soft feel designed to help improve heat and moisture flow at the sleep surface. Next is Evercool GFX Memory Foam, the world's first premium breathable memory foam featuring an infusion of super heat-conducting graphene material for supple, body-conforming comfort and an extra ability to whisk heat away from the body. A layer of Cool Action Dual Effects Gel Memory Foam helps provide more support where your body needs it and an enhanced ability to transport heat away from the mattress layers above it. Finally, the Pods Gel-Activated Support Layer works with our Comfort Last foam core to help provide extra support from the deepest parts of the mattress and provides a firmer seating edge. The iComfort Directions Sleep System by Serta. Smarter, cooler, better.